it's Sunday morning. My dad found a 72 Demon on Kijiji for sale and he really wanted it. Looks like it's in pretty rough shape, but we're heading up to just outside Truro there to pick it up. We decided to buy it without actually looking at it first. So we got the trailer. We left this morning around 6, so we should get there around 10:30. We'll get it loaded up. Alright, so we just picked up the car. It's better than we thought it was going to be. Pretty happy about it. It's fit on the trailer good. The poor Dodge truck isn't doing so well, but we'll make her home. So what do you think of the car, your new car?
I like it. A lot of work.
He likes it, but it's a lot of work, so. Okay, so here's the Demon we picked up for my dad. It's a 1972 340 4-speed car. It's mostly complete, other than needing some restoration. All the interior's there. Glass is good, all the chrome pieces are good, bumpers are good. The engine's there, runs, it drives. The dash is completely there. Basically we're going to need to put floors, quarters, fenders, and a hood on it. But the rest of it seems to be able to be cleaned up. The engine, like I said, runs and drives. It's in pretty good shape. Other than looking not great, it runs really well. So yeah, we're probably going to start restoring this there probably next winter. It'll be a good winter project to start with. And I'm pretty excited about it. My dad's really excited about it, so hopefully we'll get it all together for him. You'll see it on future episodes on the channel.